To make these delicious chocolate hazelnut date bites, start by roasting whole raw hazelnuts. Place them on a parchment-lined baking tray. Pop them in the oven at 275 degrees Fahrenheit or 140 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, checking periodically. Oven temperatures can vary and you don't want them to burn. Once roasted, allow them to cool. You're going to need soft dates. Look for Medjool or Khalas dates. Remove the pit from each date and pull apart so you have two halves. Place a roasted hazelnut in the center of one of them, then press and mold the date around the hazelnut until it's completely covered by the date. Like this. This recipe calls for 10 dates and 20 hazelnuts, plus a few more to make crushed hazelnuts for topping. You can remove the skin on the date if it's coming off like it is here, but otherwise it's not necessary to do so. Once you have all of your dates done, melt your chocolate. Here I have a 72% cacao chocolate bar. You could use chocolate chips. You'll need about 3.5 ounces or about 1/2 cup of chocolate chips or chocolate pieces. I use the microwave method to melt the chocolate. I'll link a video on melting chocolate below. One by one, dunk each bite into the melted chocolate. Place on a parchment-lined plate or tray. I'm using this handy chocolate dipping tool, which is fun and works really well for making chocolate-covered treats. I'll leave it linked below. If you're going to make these kinds of chocolates a lot, especially during the holiday season, it could be handy to have around. Nicely packaged, these would make great gifts. I'm going to share some more DIY food gift ideas coming up, so be sure to subscribe so you catch those when they drop. Move quickly. Well, not this quickly. Sped up the video here. Reason being is if you're topping with crushed hazelnuts, you need to do so before the chocolate sets. So before the chocolate sets, sprinkle crushed hazelnuts on top. Place them in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes to set. These chocolate-covered hazelnut bites are so delicious, a fan favorite with my friends and family. I hope you try these and enjoy them. Let me know in the comments below when you do, and let me know if there are other kinds of vegan treats or things you'd like to see here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.